Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanya at Sidegigcrafts coming to you today with a My Creative Studio unboxing. I have never ordered their subscription box before, so I'm super excited to get this one and open it up and see what it is. I have only peeked to make sure it is what I thought it was, and it is, because they don't have their company name on the outside of the box. So I wanted to come and show you guys and open it together. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope I do too, my goodness. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I sure would love it if you did. And I apologize, I said My Creative Studio. The company is called Your Creative Studio. I learned about this place from watching some other unboxings, and I just thought, why not? It looks like fun. And I love the vintage feel, and they said that the card will give a hint to what's inside, and I'm seeing some flowers maybe behind here, and I'm not sure. So let's open it up and see. Look at this beautiful packaging. They've got their company sticker here, and they've got some gorgeous paper. I love this paper. It's so pretty, and it's so crinkly. Let's look inside. I did order recently some rubber stamps from them and some washi tape, and I'm excited to use those. They were so cute. That was separate. This is their monthly box, or monthly subscription box, and I only ordered one because I wanted to see what it was about. I wanted to see if I would like it. So I know not every box is the same, so the unboxing that I saw was not going to be indicative of what I might have gotten. So let's check and see together. All right, well, let's see what's in this box. This is interesting. Very interesting, I must say. If I can open it. Let's get some cutters here. Like I said, obviously I have not peeked because everything's still closed. Closed up tight. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Actually, I had a short day at work today. I had worked a little extra the other days, so I cut my hours today, and I actually took a nap because I was so tired. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. Chloe's gonna steal this from me, I just know it. Look at this beautiful pen. Wow, that is stunning. It's a calligraphy pen. Oh, she's been doing calligraphy, and she actually went and bought all the ink. I might have to steal it back from her. This is beautiful. Holy cow, I don't want to tell her. Oh my gosh, that's worth it right there. That's exciting. So this must be letters, because this has a little, it says, letters are amazing, the most significant memorial a person can leave behind them. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. So it's hard for me to read that, so there it is. That's what it is. So it must be about letters, which is exciting. That's postal, and I see some postage stamps in here. This is for a cling stamp. I don't want to tear this. I like these stickers. I think these stickers would be fun to use on like masterboards and stuff, if I can use them without tearing them. This one's a cling stamp. Let's see what it is. Ooh, that's neat. It's got the quill and a box with envelopes and stuff in there. Very pretty. And the quill is stuck in the ink with the feather. There's letters here. That's really cute. I like that a lot. It's very detailed. It's beautiful. Awesome. All right. All right. Let's see what's next. I am seeing a letter theme. This is washi. Like I need more washi. That's okay. And what's on this washi? Let's see if I can open it. I can't tell which way it goes. I think it goes this way. Oh, yep, I see some postage stamps. I see some writing. That's very lovely. I like that a lot. It's kind of hard to see. I see some flowers. It's very vintage. Very vintage, and I'm liking it. All right, I'm gonna put that aside. That's very pretty. Definitely use it. Ooh. Ooh, these are, what does it say? Note bar sticker. So it's got all the different stickers in there that you can write little notes on, I guess, for your vintageness. Let's see. These are like little washi stickers. These are kind of cool. Little decorative element that you can add to your creations. Some very pretty script. Gorgeous. Awesome. I'm not doing very good putting things back in packages right now. We'll just set that aside. Let's see what this one is. Airmail. These are stickers as well. The sheet of sticker denied. Historical British. Got some different ones there. I wonder how many sheets are in here. Feels like several. I'm not very good at opening these either. My hands are still sleeping. I had to pick up Chloe from the airport last night. Oh, they're all different. And it's a ways from my house, so we didn't get to sleep till almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So I had to pick her up. Her plane landed at 12:22 or something, and it was really late. So that's why I'm a little tired today, and that's okay. So we've got different stickers. These are all different. These are really cool. These are sticker strips. And then these are different still. Very nice. Those are beautiful. I love those. Awesome. I'm still loving this paper. I wonder if I can take this sticker off. So, no, it's going to tear. All right, I'm just going to stick it down. Since it's going to tear anyway, I might as well stick it down so it stops sticking to me. All right, let's see this one. This one is also cling stamp. I see a little charm in there. So we've got another one, and this is a woman writing. That's beautiful. She's using her quill pen, like I hope to. I took calligraphy class in junior high, and it was so much fun. I think I did again some in high school too, in my art class. It's a little envelope charm. That's darling. I love that. Is this another? It's another cling stamp. There's 2 of them in this one. So that's 4 cling stamps. My goodness. This one is like a triangle postage stamp. I can't really see the design on it. Maybe a flower? Can't really tell. Or a woman. I see a woman's face, I think. And then this one is some script. That's nice. It's got a postage stamp on there. Those are beautiful. And let's see what else we've got. We've got some more stickers. Are these like, these are clear stickers. Those are nice. And it's a bird carrying, like a dove carrying, or messenger, probably a messenger pigeon. What do you think? Carrying a letter. Those are neat. What else? Ooh, this is, what is this? This is a very delicate feeling, like tissue paper, maybe? Is this a decoupage, napkinish kind of thing? What is this? Let's see. Ooh, it's very, very delicate feeling. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see through it. It's transparent. So it's very pretty. It's a tissue or like a deli paper maybe. It's got a glossy coating on this side, so it's not tissue. That's beautiful. Those will be fun to use. Definitely for decoupage. Or whatever. And then there's more. My goodness, there's quite a bit in here. So this looks like a stationery. Got some envelopes. Wow, those are pretty. Those are really pretty. And they're really nice paper. They all the same. And they've got the little note bar like the stickers that we opened. That one's pretty too. I like this one a lot. There's the two different styles there. Those are gorgeous. And then papers to go with them. Let's see. So we've got a floral. And ooh, that is pretty, so pretty. So paper ephemera, it says. I can even use that. It's beautiful. What a fun kit. I'm gonna have to write some letters, you guys. Here's some more. My goodness. Okay, so there's another kit in here. It'll be fun to use my wax seals on these too. Just another paper camera. So another stationery set. Beautiful pink roses, and what's the darker one? More of a vintage feel. There's palm trees on there. Those are really pretty. Really, really pretty. I actually needed some note cards, and so these are going to be great. Oh, I love that. So yay. All right. Well, overall, I think I love this box. This was a lot of fun. I may just have to get another one. So you guys check out Your Creative Studio. Check out their subscription boxes and their other goodies. They have lots of other things that you can buy individually as well. So if you're not into the mystery thing, you can definitely do it that way and get some really cool stuff. I'm super excited with this. I'll probably do it again. Build up my stash because there's a lot of things, you know, that's vintage looking. It doesn't have to be old for me, but you know, if it goes with that feel, I'm happy a lot of times, and help build up my collection of vintage items, or vintage looking items at least, because it can be hard to do. I don't have access to a lot of that stuff, so sometimes the faux vintage or the vintage look really helps me out in my creations. Or adding this to the actual vintage stuff is fun too. So, you know, it's nice to have options. So I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Oh my gosh, this pen alone, this is magic right here. This is really fun. I'm gonna definitely want to play with it and see how it works. So anyway, you guys, I hope you'll enjoy this. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.